Today I'll be talking about the AIT token. This video will be like a review, if this token is swappable, if it is withdrawable, or if it is sellable. So I'm going to be doing that review right here, right now. So last week I've made a video about this airdrop where you can claim 100,000 token, 100,000 token, AIT token that is worth about $110 as of when I did that video. The video is right here on my YouTube channel. For those of you who haven't seen the video yet, the video is right here. This is the video right here about 2 weeks ago. Then I went ahead to do a video right here where I said how to convert the AIT token worth about $475 to BNB or USDT. Now so far this particular video I've gotten a lot of negative comments, feedbacks, and all manner of sorts. But then I just want to explain something, as I will be using this video to also do some further explanation concerning this airdrop. So far I've been able to gather 99 comments from this video and 170 and about 11,000 views from this video. Now this video right here has gotten so many negative comments, and I don't want it to start affecting my channel. That's why I'm making this video, so you can see and also learn. So how basically you wasted our time? Like, I didn't really waste your time. If you pay attention, I told you I was only trying this, how to convert AIT token. I didn't say I successfully convert AIT token. How to convert it, it was just I was showing you how you can do it right here. And a lot of people had dropped negative comments, and some people have also made inquiry, like this guy here. He said if the token is in MetaMask, yes, it's on MetaMask, you can add it manually. Now this one you can only swap it when they launch their mainnet. Yes, I've seen this quite a while from a lot of people. I've seen this that you can't swap it yet because they haven't launched their mainnet. It means there's no liquidity yet for the token, so you can only buy but you can't swap. I will be doing all that and I will show you all that. So keep killing your algorithm. You see, things like this were kind of the type of comment I was getting. Can you also swap it into tronx? The answer to this comment is basically no, because this coin is on BNB. Except you are able to swap it to USDT, then convert your USDT to tronx. That's when it's possible. So I've gotten a whole lot of negative, some positive comments, but I think if you are scaling it, the negative is more than the positive. But that's not the essence of this video. Now let's dive to the details of today's video. If you don't mind, you can as well subscribe to my channel. That's my channel. You saw that I create videos on how you can make money online, on how to participate in airdrop and YouTube. So you can go ahead and subscribe to my channel if that's what, if you are interested in that. So guys, I'm right here on this platform. I've been able to gather about 760,000 worth of this token through this airdrop. Now with the look of things, this coin is not swappable. You see, I've continued to try on how to swap this coin. I've continued to try. You've seen the errors right here. I keep trying. That's why you see the errors right here. So I've tried a couple of times to see how I can swap it on my own, but then I've not been able to swap the token. Now this is the token information. This is the contract address. I've gone ahead as adding it up on Trust Wallet to see if it is swappable on Trust Wallet, but yet it's still not swappable. Now why am I making this video? The essence of me making this video is to explain two things. Now one is, you can use, for now, since we don't know what it holds for us, and I know a lot of you who want to really swap this token is because of somehow you are greedy and selfish. That's why you want to swap it so quick so that you can make out your money and move on to something else. But if at least you are patient with these people and allow them see how they are able to grow this platform and their token and do what they want to do, just like I said, you can follow them on on Twitter and join their Telegram channel so that you get information firsthand as this airdrop is going. Now you can use this opportunity, since it's just an airdrop, you are not paying anything to get it, you are not paying any DAI, any token to get it. You can use it to gather more of the coin. Peradventure it gets liquidized and they got their own minutes, and it's an opportunity for you to earn. If that is being done, it's another opportunity for you to earn. And if it's not done, basically you didn't waste your money in getting it. It may be only your time that you spend in participating in the airdrop, but then you didn't put any money to it. As for me, I've even invested about, I sent in $4 to my BNB right here, and I've been trying to swap authentication and all the likes. This is what is remaining. So I've spent almost $2 or $1.10 out of my $4 point something that I sent here. So I've also lost money from it, but you just have yours and there is nothing. So basically what I've basically do is that I've been able to gather the token. I still share my links to people who want to participate. It's a free airdrop. If you want to participate, you participate. I still share my links, and I will also be showing you what I have in my balance, and I will be withdrawing it right now so that you see. As you can see, I'm right here on the Telegram bot where we participate in this airdrop and claim 100 token of it. So I'm right here on the Telegram bot. So I'll click my balance, even though you are seeing my balance right there. As you can see, I have over 1,920,000 worth of this token. I got all this from referrals. So I'll click referrals so that you see. So far, people have been using my link. I've been able to refer about 86 people. 86 people. I checked yesterday, it was 80, and you see I have about 86 people who have used my link to join this airdrop. I have about 86, and that is why my balance is about 1 point something million. So I can just click withdraw this, and it said withdrawal successful, and I'll just be having this add up to my balance. And remember, you can also check their website, their address here. You can check it up to see information they have. Or so this is AIT Token, the DIO price. This is what they are giving, initial distribution offer, or this is what they are giving out. So guys, this is it. So you can join the airdrop, refer friends to participate, share your referral link, and receive 10% AIT Token plus 10% as referral reward. So guys, this is it. So it can be that you are receiving the referral. You can just go ahead and read this right here on their platform and see how it could help you understand better this platform. I'm not saying you should invest in it. I'm just saying so that you'll be patient enough to wait for them. Peradventure, after they are done with, maybe when they will unlock the airdrop or whatsoever, you can as well benefit from it. So you can see they have, like, I planned for everything they are doing, their users airdrop about 12% and the likes of it. So this is it, guys. Now this is the roadmap I was telling you about. This is the roadmap. First, fair launch, get into the market and the likes. The first stage, which is this, they are doing their fair launch, idea, concept, building, everything. Their second stage, this is their second stage, fair launch. This is their third stage right here, AI whatsoever, text mainnet or testnet online BLC, okay. And their fourth stage, testnet online Ethereum, social media ads campaign and the likes. Stage 5, DEX launch. Stage 6, broke bedrock, open mainnet, and all of that. So guys, you see that they have different stages that they want to go for this. So it's not something you just start rushing because you want to make money and withdraw and leave the platform for it to scramble or whatsoever. You just start rushing. Now guys, these are the people they've associated themselves with. So these are the people they've said that they are sponsors or they are partners. So you see them right here. So it's something you need to be patient with them and see how the platform goes with it. So let me return back to my wallet and see if the one I withdraw is here. By the time this is done, I'll be able to make at least a reasonable amount of money from this. So now guys, let me show you something. Now if you go to swap right here, you see if I want to swap this token, I won't be able to swap it. If you watched my previous video, you see that I won't be able to swap it. But now let's do something different. Let's swap. You see, I just rechanged, so I'm swapping BNB to AIT. So let me show you. I want to swap 0.01 BNB. It will give me 22 of this token. So I'm getting 22 of this token. So that's what I want to do. Let me click confirm it. Let me see if it will swap. Okay, confirm again. Next step, fingerprint, order submitted, pending block validation. Please go to DT page and whatsoever. Okay, click OK. So guys, I'm just getting 22. So let me see. I'm getting notification. You have sold 0.00 MB. So guys, you see, we can as well buy the token. You see, I just tried to swap. I was able to swap my BNB to the token. So I'm not advising you to do this. This is not a financial advice. I'm not advising you to do this with yours, but I'm just saying that, you see, I can swap BNB to the token, but I can't swap the token yet to BNB. So it means the token is blocked. Let me still try again and see if I can now swap it to BNB. Let me even try swapping the amount I bought, 22 points. Well, let me just put 22 and see if I can swap it. Confirm. Next. Order submitted pending validation. So, whoa, guys, I was able to swap 22 of it. You see, I was able to swap 22. The 22 I bought, I was able to swap it. Let me try swapping more. Okay, let me try 100 or 10,000. It's saying that I don't have enough BNB to cover the gas fee. I need at least 0.005 BNB as gas fee for this transaction, and what I have is 0.006. So guys, you saw that I was able to swap 22 of it back. I would have just swapped a lot if I had known that that would go through. So guys, you can see I was able to swap 22 right there. So that's it. So that is all I want to show you for this video. It's already getting too long. That's it. Goodbye.